Makko Bilie is a celebrated figure in Oromo folklore and history, often regarded as a hero among the Oromo people of Ethiopia. His story is emblematic of the struggles and resilience of the Oromo community throughout history. Historical context. The Oromo people are one of the largest ethnic groups in Ethiopia, with a rich cultural heritage and a long history that dates back centuries. They have faced various challenges, including colonization, land dispossession, and cultural suppression. Figures like Makko Bilie have emerged as symbols of resistance and pride within the Oromo community. The legend of Makko Bilie 1. Background. Makko Bilie is often depicted as a brave warrior and a skilled leader. His life and deeds are celebrated in oral traditions, songs, and stories passed down through generations. 2. Heroic deeds. The tales of Makko Bilie typically highlight his courage in battle, his commitment to justice, and his efforts to protect his people from external threats. He is often portrayed as a defender of the Oromo land and culture against invaders and oppressors. 3. Cultural significance. Makko Bilie's story embodies themes of bravery, loyalty, and sacrifice. He serves as an inspiration for many within the Oromo community, representing the struggle for identity, autonomy, and rights. 4th legacy. Over time, Makko Bilie has become a symbol of Oromo nationalism and pride. His legacy continues to resonate, particularly in contemporary movements advocating for the rights and recognition of the Oromo people within Ethiopia. Conclusion. The tale of Makko Bilie is an essential part of Oromo history and culture. It reflects the broader narrative of resistance against oppression and the enduring spirit of the Oromo people. As such, Makko Bilie remains a significant figure in the collective memory and identity of the Oromo community today.